Sifflet data catalog. Today, we are going to look at how we can trace the lineage through a BI asset. So first of all, I can filter my sources to find all of my Power BI assets. And what we're going to look through is the lineage for this aggregated dashboard available here. So you can see the overview of my dashboard, including the source, a description, any domains associated with it, and any business terms tagged. I can then click through into the lineage, and here I can start to build up a lineage. So my aggregated dashboard is available in Power BI, and that comes from the 2025 revenue report. I can then expand it out and see all of the lineage, and also scroll out to see the full details. So we can see that this traces from two different tables within Snowflake. We've got the orders table, which is produced from a dbt transformation, and my customers table, which has also got a dbt transformation. And if I scroll out further, I can see that complete lineage. Now I can click into the details to see the columns behind it. I can scroll out to see how that orders table was created in Snowflake, and I can start to see the incidents associated with these assets as well. So we've identified high-risk incidents on the orders table, and that has come from an urgent incident from my staging orders, whereas my stage order items, stage supplies, stage stores, and stage products are all working as expected.